Welcome to this tutorial on how to restore all trash posts in WordPress in just a few minutes. Start by opening your WordPress site in your browser. When you see the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you will locate the login option. Click on this login area to begin your authentication process. Once you have clicked the login option, a few authentication options will appear. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will use the option that allows you to sign in using your Google account. Select the option labeled Continue with Google and then choose the appropriate account that you use for managing your WordPress site. This allows you to securely sign in without needing to re-enter your credentials manually. After you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. From here, it is time to move to the Posts section. Look for the section on your dashboard that leads you to Posts. The Posts section is where all your blog entries and articles are managed, including those that have been sent to the trash. Within the Posts section, you will notice a link or a tab labeled Trash along the top. Clicking on this trash link will display all the posts that you have previously deleted or moved to the trash. This view provides you with a list of items that can be recovered if needed. Take your time to review the list and verify that it contains the posts you wish to restore. Now that you are viewing the trashed posts, the next step is to select the post you want to recover. Use your mouse to highlight all of the deleted posts within this interface. By highlighting, you are indicating which posts you intend to bring back to your live site. With your desired post now selected, locate the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. This menu is typically positioned above or below the list of trashed posts and allows you to perform actions on multiple items at once. Click on this drop-down to see the list of available actions, which include restoration options among others. From the options displayed in the Bulk Actions menu, choose the Restore option. This instructs WordPress that you wish to reverse the delete action for the selected posts. Once you have chosen the Restore function, it is important to finalize your selection. The final step involves applying the bulk action you have just selected. Look for the Apply button near the Bulk Actions drop-down menu and click on it. Doing so will trigger the restoration process, and WordPress will begin to restore all of your selected posts from the trash. You will soon see that these posts return to their original state within the Posts area of your dashboard. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully restored all deleted posts in WordPress. Enjoy the convenience of knowing that your previously trashed content is now back in your list of published or draft posts ready for further editing or viewing. This simple process is a lifesaver if you have accidentally removed valuable content or if you are performing routine maintenance on your WordPress site.